So first of all, open a browser and type Steam sign up. And now open this first link, create your Steam account. And once you're here, enter here your email address and re-enter here your email address and select here your country or residence and check this option and tap on I'm not a robot and fix the reCAPTCHA and tap on continue, and after that your account will be created. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.